Hello and welcome. This tutorial will explain to you what display resolution is and how to adjust the necessary settings. The amount of information shown on your computer monitor is referred to as the display resolution or just resolution. The display resolution is determined by the number of individual points of light called pixels aligned in horizontal rows and vertical columns used to make the desired image. If your monitor was set to 1280 pixels horizontally by 720 pixels vertically, this standard HD resolution is called 720p, there would be a total of 921,600 pixels to make up one single frame on your computer display. The higher the resolution, the more densely packed together the pixels are in the monitor. Higher resolutions provide a more crisp, sharp, and detailed image, but they also make everything appear smaller and may be difficult to see for some individuals. Higher resolutions can be harder for your computer to run smoothly. If you are experiencing slowdowns in games or video, a lower resolution may help alleviate the problem. Let's start by setting a higher resolution. Close down any open applications, if you have any, so you can see the desktop. Right-click on the desktop and select Screen Resolution from the menu. The screen resolution window will open. In the top of the screen, you will see a representation of your monitor. Next to Display, it will list the type of display. In my case, an Ultrascan P990. If it lists Default or Unknown, there may be a problem that requires attention before going forward. To change the resolution, click to select the drop-down next to Resolution. The resulting menu will list all the resolutions your monitor supports from low to high. We will change the slider to a resolution of 1280 by 720 and click the Apply button. You always want to click Apply instead of OK, as if a problem arises and you have clicked Apply, it will revert back in 20 seconds. Click the Keep Changes button. Now it's time to set an appropriate refresh rate for your monitor. A big part of setting up screen resolution that is often overlooked is making sure the appropriate refresh rate is set for your monitor. If you have the big old heavy CRT monitors, this is vitally important to keep from straining your eyes. If you are using a new LCD monitor, 60 Hz is default and is usually fine. Click the Advanced Settings link. This will open the Advanced Settings property window. Click the Monitor tab. Under Monitor Settings, it says Screen Refresh Rate. You can see that it was set to 60 Hz, which is too slow for a CRT monitor like what I have. A slow refresh rate will cause the screen image to flicker and cause severe eye strain over time. Click the drop-down menu and you will see a list of all the refresh rates supported by your monitor. Select the 85 Hz option, or whatever your highest option is. Click the Apply button. The Display Settings window will open with the question, do you want to keep these display settings? Click the Yes button. Click the OK button to close the Display Properties window. Now that we have the resolution set to a high enough level to provide a clear, detailed image, you might want to adjust the size of items on your screen to make them easier to read, while still maintaining an optimal resolution. On the Screen Resolution window, click the text link, Make Text and Other Items Larger or Smaller. This will open the Appearance and Personalization display screen. Adjusting the settings here changes the size of icons, text, and other items while still preserving the display resolution. Let's make everything a little bit larger by clicking to select the radio button next to Medium, 125%, and click the Apply button. You will receive a new window stating you must log off your computer to apply these changes. Click the Log Off Now button. Once it logs you off, log back into your computer. Now that we have logged back into our system, we can see that the size of our icons, the taskbar, the Start menu, and Windows menus are all larger. while the resolution is still the same.